Pete'sTools.com.
G'day guys, Pete's Tools, great to see you here again today. Hey, I've had a few emails from you fellas asking me about what I use for my glasses and that sort of thing when I'm welding. I just use basic stuff really, anything that does the job that doesn't cost too much, you know me, cheapest chips Pete. When I was a young fella guys, that's a long time ago as you can see by looking at this face, I never used to have any sort of health and safety sort of anything at all. I thought that was ridiculous. I don't want to be doing any sort of that. Only wimps wear health and safety stuff. They wear glasses and that sort of stuff. Why would I want to do that? Pete knows best. He knows how to do it without all that stuff. But now that I'm older and a little bit wiser, I just wear some basic safety stuff. And it keeps me out of trouble. It keeps me out of hospital. Because believe me, I've been in hospital a few times with shit in my eyes and shit in my hands and cutting myself and doing all sorts of stupid stuff. Same as usual guys, you like my video, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say good day at Pete'sTools.com, and let's do it, eh? So a lot of you guys that are watching my channel for the first time, you're just starting in this welding and plasma cutting game. I'll just show you what I just use for basic safety. I don't think you have to get very technical with it, just the basic stuff will do. When I do a little bit of plasma cutting, I just use these. This is just very cheap, you can buy them anywhere, I think they're about 20 bucks. I wouldn't use them for welding because they're not really strong enough. They don't put enough shade on your eyes. But these are auto glasses, so when you start your arc, when you start cutting something, these flick on automatically and you don't have to pull down a shade or anything, so that's all good. But yeah, just for lightweight plasma cutting, this is what I use. And for my gloves, I just use these. These are cheap, once again. They're a bit bulky and it's quite hard to hold your torch and that, but you know, you get used to them. Once again, they're a good price. And if you burn them out at 10 bucks, who cares? You just go and buy another bloody pair, can't you? But it certainly saves the burns on your arms and that sort of thing. Especially with a little bit of long sleeve on them like this. That's what I like anyway. Nothing fantastic, just cheap like Pete. Yeah! And guys, when I'm doing my MIG welding, I just use one of these old helmets. Once again, this is just an auto darkening helmet. It's designed for MIG welding, so it's a little bit stronger than these glasses here. But I find if I try and plasma cut with this, it just gets in the way. Whereas if I use the glasses, it's just... And also these glasses fit over top of my glasses. I'll show you in a minute. These are a good style glasses if you wear normal glasses as well. As you can see, my welding helmet here, I've had it for years and years and years. It's still holding together, but I'm holding it together with zip ties and that sort of thing. But, you know me, I don't like throwing these things out. It still works, so why not? Eh? Hee. If it's still working, keep using it. And like I was saying with these glasses, guys, they actually fit over top of the other glasses, so they're pretty cool. Hey? Look at that. And don't you look cool wearing them as well? Hey? Yee-haw! In all seriousness, guys, just a pair of cheap glasses, a cheap welding helmet, some cheap leather gloves. You get the whole lot of that for under $100 and it just saves you a lot of grief. Saves you a lot of time spending up in hospital and getting things dug out of your eyes and burns and all sorts of stuff. And welding flash, guys. Have you ever had welding flash? You wouldn't want to wish that on your worst enemy. I've got a video down below there. Click the link down below and I'll tell you all about welding flash. It sucks. It really sucks. Anyway guys, that's just a little video for you newbies who want to get started on welding. Just make sure you got the basic gear. You don't need to spend a fortune. Like I say, all the gear probably for under $100. I haven't looked at the prices lately, but I'll put some links down below for the cheapest stuff that I could find for you anyway. Anyway guys, same as usual, you like my video, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say good day at Pete'sTools.com, and I'll come and annoy you next week, eh? Yeehaw!
Pete'sTools.com.